So now we have seen the basics of conditional statements and everything. Moving into a switch case statement, which is actually applies for a multiple inputs to be attended. So for in case like I will just open up one of the arithmetic operations. Op- operations with switch case dot sh. In this case, I'm going to open up a switch case. So already I've done, I think so. I've opened up everything. Conditional statements. So here you can see that I have taken two numbers from the input. I'm with the help of operator. I'm going to do a switch case. So which one we are choosing accordingly, it keeps executing. So what I'm doing is bash conditional statements. When I hit plus, well, I'm just going to give the numbers. Always for this arithmetic operation, I'm the second number I'm for presently giving as a smaller one, because in case if you give subtraction, it helps. So in this case, if I give um, division also, we're able to achieve the division. So as per the one we want, you can do. So for I'm just doing multiplication of numbers. So 100 to 20 I'm given, and I'm doing multiplication, I'm getting the 2000. So for this purpose, and even for in the multiple, like for doing or operations, conditional statement with the switch case. So I'm getting two numbers and an operator based upon and or it will do the operation. How it does, I will confirm here. So I'm giving the number as two numbers. One, no, I need to give two numbers, one and zero. If I perform and operation, value will be zero. I'm getting zero. Similarly, when I give or, I'm able to get one. So even for higher order numbers like 100, you can able two numbers to be given. So 100 and 200. And the operation performs 64. If I'm performing 100 and 100, and operation gives me 100. So for match case statements, you can use this kind of bitwise operations. Like here, I'm using but case to choose which operand to perform. If it is going to be not operator, only one operation is enough. So if I hit the not, it gives me not of one, not. It's going to be zero. Okay. So let's check whether why first input it should accept. So it is expecting it's wrongly provided. Not operation performs nor here. So I need to put not No, num1. So not of number. This is the right way of. Okay, for not operation, one parameter is enough. That's for only nor. Not means this is not. Not exclamation is the not operation. When you want to add few other statements like x, XOR operations, echo result num1 num2 num1 XOR with num2. Now I'm hitting bash conditional statements, which is case two numbers 1 and 0. So I need to give two operations. So I added to that. I want to give one more thing. I need to here specify. So like this you can, it's not XOR 1 and 0. XOR operation results with 1. What it does is it will do XOR. Not the right thing, right? Yes. Same. You can achieve like this. And moving further, you can achieve the same logical operations even with if statement as well. XOR actually provides either of one means it will be one. That's the reason. Mm, and moving now, we'll do certain things with the string computations. Like in order to check whether two strings are equal or not, you can use equal to operator. Two strings equal or not. Sh paste. Yeah. Bash two strings and I hit string is not equal. So I'm getting here the two strings hello and world. So if I give hello and hello, it's help me to know two strings are equal. I can even get the strings here. Read fnp, enter the strings to be checked, and I will can string 2, and I can put like dollar. I can remove these things. Okay, store the, and I want to hit build, and it is not equal. Kohan and Kohan is equal. So this how, and even moving further, converting all uppercase strings into lowercase. This is a very interesting thing. Conversion of upper to lower data such. So what it does is I'm getting a string and converting that strings and truncating like only the upper. So getting a string and first character is only I want to do upper, and I'm going to convert all upper to lower. So it means translation. TR means translation. All uppercase to lowercase. If any uppercase is identified, so the shell have a default way of identifying the uppercase values. So I'm just giving shebang, shebang hash, hashbang. It converts into smaller case. It identifies in default which is in uppercase and enables to translate to the one. So here you can do few operations like translation of even lowercase to uppercase. So we have the same similar way. Okay, lower to upper, upper. Now if I hit the bash conversion string bang, OSI model, so it converted the lowercase to uppercase. And you can also do many things with string. We can see few of the operations. So removing all white spaces, how I can remove all white spaces in a string. Let's check. Move into removing white spaces. So for just removing a white spaces, I can just do string, and I can use the curly braces to do certain operations on that string itself. So there's triple double slash and slash actually helps to know what delimiter you're using. So in this case, I'm using a space. So hitting this helps us to remove the white spaces in the string.